Okay, follow me. Careful walking, John. So now we're going to go around the corner. We're heading towards St. Mark's Square. Instead of actually going to the square, we're going to take a little U-turn and we're going to go to Jacopo's place, I Specchietti. We spent a lot of time at I Specchietti. We got to know a lot of the people there. They're some of our best friends. And we usually shut the place down when we're here. Same thing with Magna Bevitasi, where we just left. Alrighty, so typically in the peak season, this walkway, like most walkways in Venice, will be completely packed. I mean, like wall to wall, which is why a lot of people say they don't like Venice because it's too crowded. I say to that, get out of the tourist areas, get out of the tourist zones and go to the local areas a bit further out. Doesn't take long, and you get to see where the real Venetians live. Okay, so as we round this corner, we're going to go over here. And this again, we're right near St. Mark's Square. In a second, we're going to charge our phones, charge our gimbal, which is that stabilizer thing that holds the phone, so it doesn't get all jerky. Probably have maybe spritz. Then we're going to do some more shooting. But as we come over here, this is a Specchietti. And like I said earlier in one of my videos, it's Carnival season. So you see that orange thing going right there? That's a woman who's dressed up for Carnival. It's beautiful in Venice all year round, but Carnival, again, the lights are going and it's just stunning. This is where we usually go when we're in Venice, when we first get here. And now we're going to go inside to Osteria ai Specchietti.
How are you, darling?
How are you?
Fine, you?
Mm-hmm.